Kasi naawa ako dun sa amin ng mga legislators. May mga lumalabas dun sa social media. Legislators plus DPWH would be equal to project. No. Yung pong mga projects na nasa NEP ng bawat distrito, saan po nanggagaling? 001, 002, 003.
Lahat po. May proyekto ng 001.
Lahat.
Yung Sir RBB proposal tapos yung lumabas ni Mr. Chair na
Hindi naman yung sinasagot yung tanong ko Malapit na ako mapikon Examine it, move to site it, at may mga projects na pinalit. So I'm asking, sino ang nakapagbabaho? Dahil
Hi bossing! Another video, another issue. Na naman tayo mga boss, ito na ang mga dapat malaman ng Bayan Akop. Ginisa si Yusek Cabral sa mga pabago-bago at halatang pangdaraya sa budget. Bago natin umpisahan ang video, wag mo kalimutan mag-like, share at subscribe. Bossing, push mo na rin notification bell. Salamat bossing.
So pa lang po, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, dapat may consultation na po sa lahat ng stakeholders, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Ano po?
First stage pa lang po, when they submit and prepare na yung kanilang regional budget proposal, dapat po meron na silang consultation hindi sa LGU po at sa lahat ng stakeholder, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Doon sa first stage, which is budget preparation, kasama na po ba ang congressman doon?
Sa consultation po, lahat po ng stakeholders, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Hindi nyo naman sinasagot yung tanong ko Pero specific yung tanong ko.
Opo.
Kasama po ba ang congressman
Yes
o legislators doon?
Yes po. Yes po,
Yes?
Your Honor. Yes po.
Ano po ang rule na nagsasabi na kasama ang legislators?
Stakeholder po kayo you're the one representing.
I'm asking for the rule or the law.
Wala po akong alam na rule or law.
Okay.
Pero yung stakeholder consultation, Your Honor.
So there's no law that you know na kasama ang legislators sa budget preparation. Kasi ang pagkaalam ko, kasama lang kami doon sa budget authorization. When the NEP of the executive is brought to Congress. Di ba yun? If we look at the budget process.
Kami kinoconsider namin na stakeholder ang lahat po ng mga sektor na maapektuhan ng proyekto.
Kung titignan po natin yung Department Order Number 23, Series of 2015, wala naman binabanggit na participation ng legislators dito. Kayo lang po ang nagsasabi. Kasi kasama na kami ngayon sa gulo Di po ba? Pero kung titingnan po natin ang process, kasama lang kami sa budget authorization. When the NEP of the executive is brought to Congress. Kaya nagkakaroon kami ng budget deliberation. Sa budget execution, kanino po ba ito?
Implementing office po, Your Honor.
Ano yung implementing office?
Depende po kung regional office or district engineering office.
In other words, DPWH.
Opo, Your Honor.
And then budget accountability. Kanino po ito?
Pananaw ko po, kami po yun dahil accountable po kami sa budget.
Ngayon, ang tanong ko po, mangyayari po ba yung katanungan kanina ng aming chairman sa mga contractors? Magkakaroon ba ng cross project? Magkakaroon ba ng substandard projects na hindi alam ng DPWH?
Your Honor, dapat po alam ng implementing office.
Dapat alam ng DPWH. So in other words, kung may maaring mangyaring katarantaduhan sa DPWH infra project, kayo po dapat ang makakalam. Di po ba?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Yes. Why?
Ang DPWH po ang implementing agency.
Kung titignan po kasi natin yung, are you aware of the existence of Executive Order number 14? 124? Which was signed in January 1987 by then President Corazon Aquino. Are you aware of that?
Hindi ko po kabisado yung number, Your Honor.
Madam Undersecretary, Executive Order number 124 reorganized the Ministry of Public Works and Highways into what we now know as DPWH. Charter ninyo yun, hindi nyo alam.
I apologize, Your Honor.
Yeah.
You're correct.
Kaya siguro tayo nagkakagulo dahil hindi nyo nga alam yung charter ninyo eh. Di po ba? Yes. And under Executive Order number 124, 6 department services were created, 5 bureaus, 16 regional offices, 24 PMOs, 16 regional equipment services, 196 district offices. Would you know that?
Sa pagkakaalam ko po, marami na pong nadagdag na opisina based on sa EO 124 na sinasabi
Now,
niyo.
may I know if you know about the 5 bureaus created by Executive Order na 124?
Bureau of Construction, Bureau of Design, Maintenance, Equipment, and Bureau of Research and Standards.
And these bureaus have the respective job descriptions. Would that be correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
If are the heads of these bureaus present this afternoon, Madam Undersecretary?
Wala po, Your Honor. They are only the regional directors are present, Your Honor.
Hindi po yun ang kailangan ko dahil kasi nandito po yung problema eh. Kasi naawa ako dun sa amin eh, ng mga legislators. May mga lumalabas dun sa social media. Legislators plus DPWH would be equal to projects. And I would beg to disagree with that, Madam Undersecretary. Siguro, contractors plus DPWH would be equivalent to projects. Alin po sa tingin nyo ang totoo doon? Kasi tingnan po natin yung budget ng DPWH, Madam Undersecretary. It's composed of 001 or road infrastructure, its maintenance. Tama po?
Tama po, Your Honor.
002 would be flood control.
Management,
And
major and
yes,
principal.
mitigation, its mitigation. And 003 would be convergence.
Convergence and Special Support Program.
Yes. Saan po nanggagaling yung mga projects na nakalagay sa NEP ng bawat distrito? Doon sa tatlong yon.
Nagsisimula po yung budget po sa regional budget proposal na sinasabit po ng regional office.
No. Yung pong mga projects na nasa NEP ng bawat distrito, saan po nanggagaling? 001, 002, 003?
Lahat po. May proyekto
Lahat.
ng 001.
Lahat.
Opo.
And ang gumagawa po lahat ng projects na ito na nasa NEP ng bawat distrito ay yung District Engineering Office.
Tama po, Your Honor.
Tama? Yes. At ang pinakikialaman lang namin na legislators ay yung local infrastructure projects. Would that be correct?
Generally correct po, Your Honor.
Yes. Kayo na po ang gumagawa, yung DPWH gumagawa lahat po ng project. Except that. Tama?
Generally correct po, Your Honor.
And what is the exception to that? Madam Undersecretary, ang exception lang dyan is kung papasok yung malalakas na kontraktor, kagaya ng 15, sila magdidikta ng project. Pangalawa, kung merong mga nag-i-insert doon sa ating budget. Tama po. Could you please answer that, Madam Undersecretary?
I will not disagree, Your Honor.
You do not agree?
Not disagree, Your Honor.
You do not disagree. So you agree with me? Tama?
I will not disagree, Your Honor.
Yes. Kasi, Madam Undersecretary, kayo po ang head ng planning. One of the department ng DPWH. At lahat po ng projects na dinadaan ng ating gobyerno so far as infra is concerned, ay dumadaan po sa opisina ninyo. Tama po, maski foreign assisted projects, dadaan at dadaan din po sa inyo.
Yes po, pinakonsolidate po namin, Your Honor.
Yes, kayo po. Now, kung kayo po ang nagbabago ng mga projects na sinasubmit ng mga DEO,
Hindi po, Your Honor. Pinipick up po ng mga regional coordinators yung prioritization dun sa regional budget proposal, Your Honor.
would you agree na yung sinubmit ng DEO may mga nababago na projects?
Marami po silang sinasubmit, Your Honor.
Hindi nga. What I mean, I'm asking you, Madam Undersecretary, kasi kayo po head ng plans may sinasubmit na projects yung ng DEO, yung aming DEO, pero may mga nababago.
Your
Would you
Honor,
agree with that?
Honor, Mr. Chair, pinipick up lang po ng regional coordinator.
I am asking you, would you agree with my statement?
Pina-qualify ko lang po yung sagot.
An-
Na yun pong
Kindly answer yes or no. Would you agree with me?
I will
Na may
not,
nababago doon sa sinasubmit ng
napaprioritize po, hindi po nababago.
kagaya ng NEP ko ng 2026. I have a copy of the projects given or submitted by DEO. 4 of these projects were changed. Sino kaya nagbago nun?
Sa regional budget proposal namin, pinick up, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Yung sinabi
Tanong ko po, sino po yung nagbago nun?
We'll have to track, sir. Kasi yung regional budget proposal po galing sa regional office, Your Honor.
I agree. And the regional director of Region 4 is here, I think.
Maybe we can call him. Yeah.
RD, Region 4A, ikaw bang nagbago nun?
Sir, Mr. Chair,
Sagutin mo muna yung tanong ko. Narinig mo naman siguro yun Ikaw ba ang nagbago ng mga projects na sinabit ng aking DEO?
yung Sir RBB proposal tapos yung lumabas ni Mr. Chair na
Hindi naman yung sinasagot yung tanong ko Malapit na ako mapikon Hindi move to cite you in contempt.
Hindi, sir. Hindi po.
Sagutin mo lang yung tanong ko.
No, sir. No, sir.
Ikaw ang nagbago o hindi?
No, sir.
Saan kaya nagbago, Madam Undersecretary?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, again, we rely on the regional budget proposal po.
Nabago nga Can you please provide this representation? A copy of the
Regional budget proposal.
project submitted by the DO of my jurisdiction, submitted by the regional director. Tingnan natin kung parehas ang sinabmit ng DO at saka yung regional director sa inyo.
We will provide, Your Honor, the
Yes.
regional budget
Otherwise,
proposal.
I will cite you also move to cite you in contempt, Madam Undersecretary.
Your Honor.
I'm not fooling here this afternoon.
Yes, Your Honor. We will provide the regional budget proposal po.
Kung sinabmit ng regional director, Region 4A,
Yes po, Your Honor.
as far as my district is concerned. Kasi, I examine it, 4 ang nabago. At may mga projects na pinalit. So I'm asking, sino ang nakapagbabago? Dahil according to your memorandum, yung sinasubmit ng district offices ang kinoconsider ninyo. Di po ba? And may I know from the main office, who has that authority to change the project submitted by the DO?
Honor, again, the regional budget proposal po is the basis for consolidation.
Yeah.
Doon lang po nang gagana.
Mr. Chairman, can I interject? Mr. Chairman.
Yes, please proceed.
Hindi ba ang lahat ng mga district offices nagsasubmit ng RBPs, regional budget proposals, to the regional office? Then the regional office will consolidate these proposals and submit this to the central office. Di ba lahat? Totoo ba yan? Is that the right procedure? RBPs submitted by the district and then it will be submitted by the region to the central office planning service.
I believe the regional office also evaluates, conducts some
Yes,
evaluation.
it's evaluated by the regional office and then submitted to the regional, to the central planning service.
Tama po yan.
In most cases, all these RBPs are more than the ceiling of the district, di ba?
Yes po.
Shopping list lang ito halos ng mga district engineering offices.
Yes po. Hindi po lang most, halos lahat po wish list.
My question is, sino ngayon ang nag-decide kung anong project ang ipasok yun?
Naka-rank po siya.
Hi MGA Boss, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated mga boss sa mga balita sa ating bansa. Kaya ano pa, back to the news, mga bossing.